Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get paid $0.2 welcome bonus and you can withdraw when you earn $1. And you can withdraw daily, withdraw are paid within 24 hours, anytime. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. But before we continue, use few seconds to click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell button too. Thanks. Um, as I said earlier, you'll be paid $0.2 welcome bonus and you can withdraw when you get $1. And any money is quite easy and free on this website. You can make a lot of money from this website. You can withdraw daily unlimited times. So let me show you the website and how to get started and withdraw. The link to this website is in the description box below. So you click on it and you'll be redirected to your browser, and here is the main page that you'll be redirected to. So on this page here, you click on join free today. Yeah. So here you will enter your information, name, email, username, password, address, city, state, province, zip code, country, and your payment email, maybe PayPal or Visa or Skrill, anyone you want to use. Bitcoin, you agree to the terms and all the terms here. You tick all the box, click on the I'm not a robot, pass the challenge, and create your account. So after creating your account, you will log in. So after logging into your account, this is the main page, the home page of the website. After logging into your account, you will have been awarded $0.2 for welcome bonus. So you can now start earning money and you can withdraw anytime starting from $1 and above. And to earn money, there are different offers. You can earn money by watching videos. You can earn money by offer words like surface, answering survey question, and you get paid. So let me show you. I will click on offer words. Here are the offers that they have: Ad Gate, AdSend, Revenue Gate, AdGem, Peanut Labs, Angad, One Hash, Pape, Obatoro, Econ, Wallard, Personally, and so on and so forth. And they have some most popular offers like you will download app and you will be paid. Like you need to complete some challenge in the app before you get paid. And you can see that here everything is points. There is nothing like dollar, 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 dollar. So each point, a point equals to $0.01. So if you earn 600 points, that's almost $6. That is 100 points equals to $1, and 697 points for this one here is like $6.97. So that's great, right? And you can withdraw when you earn at least $1. And you know you have been awarded $0.2 as a welcome bonus already. So you click on the one that you want to complete the survey on it. So if you have earned at least 100 points, that is $1 or more, and you want to withdraw, you click on this reward button here, you long press it, and you click on withdraw, convert points and cash. It is in that place that you'll be able to convert your points to cash. So after you have earned some points, you enter the number of points you want to convert here. Maybe you want to convert 100 points, just enter 100 points and you click on convert to cash and it will be converted immediately. And if you want to convert cash to coin too, you click on here, you click here and enter the amount of cash. So to withdraw, you click on this withdraw reward button again, and you click on withdraw cash. So here you can withdraw. All payments refilled are paid. All payments are refilled and paid within 24 hours maximum. So there are different payment methods here: PayPal, instant PayPal. This instant PayPal, your money will be paid like in few minutes or hours. That is, it is more faster, but you can only withdraw once per day, and the maximum you can withdraw per day with this instant PayPal is $50. But this one that will take a few hours or more, you can withdraw unlimited per day, and there is no maximum for it. You can also withdraw with Skrill, Bitcoin, Tea Party. The minimum price for Skrill is $5, for Bitcoin is $40. So you can also earn money with referrals. Click on the referral button. Um, Here is your referral link here, and you'll be paid 25% of your referral earnings. So if your referral earn $1, you'll be paid $0.25. If they earn $100, so and so forth, you'll be paid 25% of the amount they earn every time. So that is how to earn money with this website, and you see it is quite good. This website has been existing for a lot of years now, and this website is paying. So you can make money daily with this website and withdraw every day as low as $1. So if you are really enjoying this video so far, click on the like button now, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed before. Thanks for watching this video.